What's up, my dudes? It's Demi, and today we are at Six Flags Over Texas. This is my first time here. I am so excited to be here and check out all that this park has to offer. So let's get into it. Let's check out Six Flags Over Texas, and let's go get into some hijinks. So before we even head inside the park, Tormenta was supposed to open on June 26, 2026. Tormenta stands at 309 feet with a 95-degree drop, making it the tallest giga dive coaster in the world. The first drop is 285 feet with speeds up to 87 miles per hour. Unfortunately for me, they did push opening day until July 9th. Although I'm sad I'm not getting this coaster credit, at the end of the day, this is just another dive coaster by B&M, just taller. And to me, they're just kind of one-trick ponies. You've done one, you've done them all, at least in my opinion. But I am glad we do at least get to see it cycle. And here we are, Six Flags Over Texas with a beautiful park entrance. And we're gonna start our day by heading to the left side of the park. And I'm filming this on June 30th. I am here for the opening of Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas. So make sure to go watch all of my videos on that if you are interested in that park. I'm here on a Tuesday, so hopefully we have some low crowds. I will say I love the theming of this, is very cute. Oh, and here is the front entrance of Tormenta, all boarded up. Oh my gosh, this is so insanely cute. I feel like I'm on set of a TV show. So when I went to Cedar Point last year, I got that deal where I got all of the Six Flags park for a whole year. It was literally under $200 to go to every Six Flags park for all of 2026. But we are starting out strong here at Six Flags Over Texas with the new Texas Giant, which has a 60-minute wait. While we're in the queue, you could see the off-road dino adventure ride, which if that dino statue gives me any kind of indication of just riding through dino statues, maybe I'll skip that one. This opened in 1990 as a wooden coaster, and then in 2011, they added the steel track. It's a 147-foot drop with speeds up to 65 miles per hour and is a 48-inch height requirement. This is currently the highest wait time in this park, so hopefully we just get this out of the way and then we'll be able to do a lot more, a lot faster. Well, that did not take an hour at all. And thank goodness, because this queue is so hot. I guess it'll be more 40-45 minutes by the time I actually get on because of the one train. It's kind of crazy, but I think this is going to be really good. Also, I am obsessed with the chicken backing and the rubber chicken. So I don't understand what's going on with these operations. I was already assigned the back row, and now a VIP tour is coming, and they need the back row. And if I didn't move to be sat with somebody else, I would have had to wait 3 cycles. We're not in the back, we're in the middle, which isn't my favorite, but let's just do it. I got this little thing to hold. Oh my god, oh my god, here it goes, here it goes. That was legit so fun. It wasn't too intense, which I love too. I don't want to feel like I'm dying. I really just love a hybrid coaster, super fast turns. Would be so great in the back. A little sad I didn't get to do back, but then the team member is so nice because they had to move me to a different seat. He just, I didn't say anything either. He just told me, I was like, if I waited for the back, it would have been 3 cycles. So I just moved to the other seat, and he was like, well, here, enjoy a ride on us. And we're gonna use it for our next attraction. And that would be our next coaster, Titan. This opened in 2001 and has a 255-foot drop. Speeds up to 85 miles per hour with a 48-inch height requirement and a 5 out of 5 on the thrill level. Well, actually, I'm not gonna use my fast lane because nobody is here, so that's great for me. So before you go to the ride, everything has to go either in a locker or in the bins here. No phones, no news articles at all. Everything's gotta stay here. There's no pouches for phones on the train at all. So lockers are actually free. They're gonna give you a ticket to scan the barcode because you can't bring your phone with you, which definitely feels a lot safer than leaving it in a bin. Oh my god. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. left. Oh my God. Oh, what a turn. Oh. Yes! Oh, it's so intense. Oh, the forces. Oh my God, I think I'm dying. Wow. My head. My dudes, I grayed out on that. My head is not great. It was fun, but the forces on that last turn were so intense. It felt like it was gonna explode. It was crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be that intense, but wow, it really was. And I gotta get my head back in order before our next ride. We have made it to our next ride. This is another coaster. It's an indoor coaster called Runaway Mountain. At least it's super shaded over here with all these trees because man, it is hot in Texas. Runaway Mountain has a 59-foot plunge and is a 48-inch height requirement. Also, what's crazy is the app says it's a 20-minute wait and then it's a 15-minute wait if you have fast lane. I don't know what's going on with operations that's the case for fast lane, but that's not great if you're paying all that money for fast lane. It's been 20 minutes. I barely moved and we're not close to even being inside yet. 35 minutes, let's go. All right, let's go. Oh my God, it's literally completely dark in here. Oh my God, we gotta drop. Oh my God! Oh my God! That ride is surprisingly really fun. Very fast. Like you don't expect it to go fast. Like it kind of like ebbs and flows and it just kind of goes really fast and then ebbs and flows and really fast. And I wish that they kind of covered those peaks of light coming in so it was really in the dark, but super fun. I don't know like if I would normally wait if I was a regular here 35 minutes for that. I think it was more 40 minutes. That was kind of insane. I mean, also considering it's at a 20-minute wait, that was double the time. So that's not a great look right now, but let's keep going. I'm walking and I see Boba over Texas. We need to get a Boba frozen drink before we head to our next ride. These come in alcoholic or non-alcoholic. This row right here is all frozen drinks. I'm getting me a frozen one because it's so hot. I got the strawberry one, but they were out of strawberry boba, so I got it with mango boba. And I got the non-alcoholic and it was $9 and change. It's melting everywhere. Oh my God, that's so good. It's saving me. It's so hot outside. Ooh, and actually goes really well with the mango boba. Really nice and tart. This is really good, really refreshing and melting and really sticky. So make sure to grab a billion napkins like me. So I was gonna head to the other side of the park and back in the center. The characters are out. I'm dead. This is so funny. Yes, yes, work, 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 work. Daffy Duck is working it. Sylvester does the disco moves. Coyote is taking a break from chasing Road Runner. Oh my God, they're so cute. Bapa, bapa, baka, ga. You pony and disco, 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 disco. And party, 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 party. Line dance, line dance, line dance, line dance, line dance. Woo! Singing in the shower. They gotta turn the land music down if the characters are out. There's just a billion noises right now. But let's head to the other side of the park. There are a couple of rides here that I must do. I passed by this refresh station, which will give you cups of water. And you would never know this, but right next door in this building is a cafe where they serve Starbucks coffee. Walking by the kids section, Bugs Bunny Boomtown. We even got a granny grill. I think this looks way more fun than our kids section over at Great Adventure. How cute, Taz swings. All right, Lola, you are not Miss Piggy, so I don't know what we're doing. Wow, this is way more colorful and way more themed than my Six Flags park. Great Adventure, take notes. We are also visiting during their 65th anniversary. I'm having like a weird out-of-body experience because they have a Hall of Justice here like over at Great Adventure. But right across from it, we have Aquaman Power Wave, and look at this statue of Aquaman. Definitely not Jason Momoa. But this is not just any water attraction. This is a water coaster with a lap bar and a 48-inch height requirement. This ride actually looks insane because it's like a half pipe type of ride. It goes back and forth all the way up and down, but then it's a water ride. Oh gosh, I did not think it was gonna come all the way toward me. And And listen, I'm gonna break my wet ride in a dry park rule to ride that, because that looks insane, but I wanna wait until a little later in the day, because if I have to walk around in wet shoes, I'll lose my mind. So here at Texas, Superman is a drop tower, and I'm not really a fan of drop towers unless it's Tower of Terror, where I can't see when I'm going up and down, I just feel it. That is a crazy fall. Oh no, not for me. I will do any coaster, but that, Look at the crazy rust on these swings. They must be 65 years old, I guess. It's crazy. They have a rising tower swing here as well, which again, give me any coaster. This looks absolutely terrifying. Now we're entering Gotham City, and just like over at Great Adventure, they have the Batman ride. It's a literal ghost town in Gotham. And of course, while I'm here, Batman the ride is closed. And so is Mr. Freeze, which is a ride I've never done before. There's also another coaster that's down. I have to say, as a coaster person, which is the reason I love Six Flags Park, there's not many coasters happening here. They do have the Joker like they have over at Great Adventure. This is Catwoman Whip, which is also not running. They are just cycling it right now to see maybe if they can get it back up, but that's kind of crazy. So now I'm on this long pathway and I'm passing by this, and it just looks so rusty and old. All right, since there's not much going on this side and there's zero wait and it's indoors and I'm dying of the heat, let's head into Justice League, because I haven't done it in a long time, and maybe this one's a little different. Oh no, it's literally exactly the same. I figured it would be. And we even have our Cyborg animatronic here in the queue, but the wait time did say zero wait, and there is a wait, but I would rather wait inside. Oh my gosh, so nice to hear.
I bet we capture the rest of Justice League within the hour. And then it's just a matter of time until the whole of Justice is my new headquarters.
I'll hit you with the cloud stuff as you pass through those doors. Right out on your mission.
So this is a shooter game. I'm gonna be bad at it, but let's do it. Oh, we're already starting. Okay, I don't even know what I'm supposed to hit. Am I supposed to hit Joker? Okay. Ah! Does that Joker work? No, that Joker doesn't work.
Bad idea following me. Hold still. It's a gas.
I forgot how much I like this ride. Spinning! Okay, I still don't really know what I'm supposed to shoot at.
We need to get into Let's Go to free team.
Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Good work. Those things are trying to take control of the battlefield. Let's get moving.
There's tradition in here. It feels amazing. Ah! It smells like Halloween Horror Nights in here. Whoa! Boss. Let's do there. Let's do there. Boss. Oh, that's flash. Don't hit the flash. You guys, my metas are sunglasses, so it's really hard to see. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to aim. So I got 145.006. It's still fun, and I wish there was more dark rides like this. But wait, seriously, Six Flags, there's no chart to know how well I did? Come on, I need to know. I'm competitive. Well, we have time for one more ride, and I still have to use my fast lane, and let's do the water coaster. I'm so hype. I hope I don't get too wet. Oh my God, they're soaking wet. I'm so scared. Here we go. Oh my God, this is way higher than it looks off of the ride. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my get too wet. I'm gonna get too wet. Oh no. This is so fun. What you don't realize is that this little hump here, it looks like nothing, but when you're going fast, it feels so intense. And then that literally feels so much higher than it is. And then the hump going back too. Oh my gosh. It was so crazy, but that was so cool, so unique. Honestly, worth the cost of admission alone. I loved it. Well, my dudes, what a perfect way to end my time here at Six Flags Over Texas. A lot of really great, unique attractions here. I mean, again, the water coasters is just amazing, but I really love the coasters that I did, and I wish I had more time to do more, but my time here is so limited in Texas. I'm just glad I was able to come at all. I just wish Tormenta was open, and I don't know, hopefully one day maybe I'll come back for it, but we'll see. It's kind of a long trip just for one coaster, but let me know in the comments, have you been to Six Flags Over Texas? Would you come to Six Flags Over Texas? What did you think of our day? What did you think of your days if you've been here? I want to hear all of it in the comments below. What do you think of Tormenta? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon. Become a patron to get exclusive bonus content, bonus lives, help with your planning, access to our Discord. So much more that'll be helping me to continue bringing you great content like this to this channel. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get to some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.